Hi, my name is Ben. I run the landscaping department at A+ Lawn and Landscape. With over 100 combined years of experience, our installers look forward to working with you to transform your dreams into a reality. We install anything from landscape beds to outdoor living spaces complete with landscape lighting and outdoor audio. We strive to use only the highest quality hard goods and plant material in the area. All of our plants, in fact, are grown in northern growers so that you know they've survived a harsher winter than we get here in Des Moines. I know that buying landscape and designing landscape can be a daunting experience. Our designers work with you to give you exactly what you want with upfront pricing in our bidding process. There'll be no hidden costs, no add-ons, unless you choose to increase the scope of your project. And we strive to communicate almost to the nth degree to make sure you know exactly when we're going to be on your property and when you could expect your dreams to become a reality.